Hey there, tech fans. Colin here with another tech review. And today we've got our hands on the Tollin Full HD 4K Pro Conference Cam. Now this thing is an all-in-one package if you're looking for a beautiful webcam, speaker, microphone, and easy plug-and-play accessibility. Now this thing comes with the needed USB-A to USB-C cable, plugged straight into the back there and then into whatever device you're using it on. It comes with a great privacy screen in case that's something you're concerned about. It's removable. It covers behind it the beautiful 4K lens that also records up to 30 FPS, so definitely going to be what you're looking for webcam conference quality. In the front here you have a 4 microphone array, 2 channels on either side, that's going to be able to pick up audio from up to 10 meters away. So this is definitely going to be great for any conference room settings, or even just if you're using it for your personal setting in your home office. On the back even, you can find that there's 2 inbuilt speakers as well. So this is really an all-in-one package if you're looking for this kind of device. As well as that, there's even a nice camera or a nice monitor mount on the bottom for it so that you can be able to mount it to pretty much any monitor. But not only that, it has a tripod screw mount on the bottom for pretty much any standard tripod. So you can use this as a full-on camera as well, which wouldn't be a bad idea considering it's 4K. Now this is really quite the all-in-one product. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch to the view from the camera and I'm going to show you what this thing can do.
Alright, so here I am on the Tollin webcam, and as you can see, the full 90-degree field of view is in full effect here. The 4K HD is beautiful, crisp quality, and the microphone is peak. Gotta say, this is definitely a product you want to look out for. Thank you so much for watching.